Now I'm going to show you how to draw a point on Geogebra. The easiest way to draw a point is selecting New Point tool over here. Select that, left mouse click. And same way, left mouse click on the graphic screen, you can draw a point anywhere you like. If you are using default settings like me, pressing on the x-axis, it draws a dependent object, dependent point, and that means that you cannot move this E point anywhere else but x-axis. Now I'm going to show you a second way. Let's select Spreadsheet over here and press the coordinates, x coordinate on the first column and y coordinate on the second column. So if you want to draw, for example, point 1 and 2, just press 1 and 2. So remember always the first column it means x-axis and second one is y-axis. Okay, here's 3 points. First one is 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and 3 and 4. Then you have to paint these points or numbers and then go over here, create list, and press that little red triangle. Okay, here you can see the tool create list of points and press left mouse click. You can name the list and you can select dependent objects or free objects. Remember that dependent aren't movable, but free objects you can move them. So I select now the dependent objects and then press create. A third way drawing a point on Geogebra is using this input. So I'm going to close Spreadsheet because we don't need that anymore, and going to input. So for example, point T, remember that letter have to be a big one. So big T equals bracket and maybe 2 and 1 is good point. So when I hit enter, it should draw a point T over here. So check it out. By using input, you can write or draw easily dependent points. So if I wanna draw a point R, which has same x coordinate than T and minus u coordinate from T, it happens like this. So x coordinate from T, common, and then y coordinate from T, and I want to take minus y coordinate from T. Here's our point R. It is here and it is dependent object. You cannot move R, but you can move point T and see what happens to R. R has always same x coordinate than T, but has minus y coordinate than T.